Welcome to Laravecho School. We are going to explain to you the COVID symptoms, COVID norms of the school, and other recommendations. Symptoms:
Cold, cold, fever and body ache.
difficulty breathing, sniffing, achoo, and loss of smell and taste. School norms: don't touch orange material.
Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth.
Don't come to school if you have fever.
Use face mask. Use hand sanitizer when leaving or entering the classroom. Bring your own water bag. Don't share your snacks. Maintain social distance.
Work from home if possible.
Cough and sneezing in the bedroom of